accomplishments.
Hello, softies. Welcome to Daniela Softie Diaries. In this video, ganahan ako makig-chika ninyo guys, unlike to my other previous videos na murag less bitaw akong talkings. So, in this video, I'm gonna share about my family first, since naa sila'y impact of what I'm doing now, and also my college journey, and also my hobbies. And then after that, I will share some advices. About of my family is actually I came from the family of teachers, which is side ra sa akong papa, and then sa side sa akong papa is I don't know. Wala okay ba? Pero ako nahibawan is lahi-lahi sila profession or work. And then since I came from the family of teachers, which is side ni mama, a lot of people thought na magmaestra ko. Let's say kana magkukog-kurso like eduk bitaw. Pag first year na ako is a lot of them asked me na unsa yung major, or unsa daw ko major, like major in math, science, and I was like, huh? Oh my gosh. And then I told them na engineering ko, which is some people magdakuan sila kaya wala jud sila na-expect. So okay. About my college journey is nikuan ko as an engineering student. So in engineering sa among school, like I don't know sa other school lang ha, like naami subject na kuan, it's called CAD or engineering drawing, but minor subject ra siya. So kana bitong wala siya giseryoso, since lahi man gud ang focus gud sa engineering, like it's not more on drawings, like it's more on math ganon. So if you see someone na engineering student kay kuan na nagkat-on bitaw like something 3D modeling, for example CAD, inana, or Blender, I just wanna let you know na ilahar ng choice. Kay wala man gud sa kuan, I don't know sa other school ha, pero sa mga school, wala man gud sa mga school na giseryoso jud ang CAD or something like that, 3D modeling. Okay, it's because it's just a minor subject. First ever hobby jud nako is painting. I am an artist. Self-taught artist. Painting jud akong kuan, tapos akong mga medium is poster, oil, and acrylics. Mao na siya. And then at first is more on nature to siya, and then later on they switch ko into nude painting because wala lang, ganahan lang kog challenging. Kay kung if i-compare man gud nato ang landscape and then portrait painting, ang landscape is even bitaw magkasayop ka is dili siya halata, unlike sa portrait paintings is once magkasayop ka kay kada bitaw klaro kaayo, it's very halata, therefore it's more challenging. Okay, when I was in high school is kuan, like every time bitaw na ami contest in drafting, sketch up, nga na bitaw, kay is sa among room is ako jud always ipada sa maestro. And to be honest lang guys, no, like ang first ever 3D modeling I've ever learned is kuan jud SketchUp. Aron ako mag-learn og SketchUp when it comes na ay upcoming na kuan contest, but if ever wala na contest, like let's say manana is dili ko magkatuon. Mo ako first ever kuan jud sa 3D modeling, which is SketchUp. And then the next one is AutoCAD. I learned it because minor subject siya sa mga school, but wala na ko siya giseryoso in that time. I think I was first year first year ko ato. Wala to na ako giseryoso kay it's because minor ra siya. And then, to be honest lang guys, no, ara-ara ko siya giseryoso. I think mga second year na ko ato. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was last year. Third year man ko karon. Yeah, that's the time ako to giseryoso ang CAD kay it's because my dad told me na kuan kana much better bitaw mo kuan og skills. Yeah. And then I forgot to tell you guys na kuan. Yeah, some of my family members naadjud sila impact of what I am doing right now. Okay, it's because my dad is actually akong papa is ni-school siya before as electronics and then ni-shift siya into electronics engineer. But iyang work right now is product designing. And yeah, feeling na ko no kung unsa iyang nakuan since same dito may course and not totally same but let's just say same ni duha ba na engineering is iyan ako gi-sharean sa iyang kuan like sa iyang mga advice. So ako ra sad siya gidawat. It's because mas naaman siya alam compared kisa nako. It feels like if I'm here, he is here. Okay, and then aside from that is I also have a brother na which is he is much younger than me but you know techie siya. And then I also met other people na into kuan pud sila like 3D modeling, editing. Yeah, they are very techy too, which yeah, one of them is my guy friend. The other one is let's just say he is my colleague. So sila tanan puro lalaki and not gonna lie, these boys made me realize na kung unsa bitaw akong nahibaw-an bitaw is not enough. Okay, grabe. They are very talented and they are very techy. And wala lang, thankful ako sa part na I have met these people in my life kay wala, they made me realize na diligent enough akong nahibaw-an and I have to push it pabitaw. Okay guys, so mobalik ta sa CAD. I started learning CAD like ako na siya giseryoso pag last year. And not gonna lie, self-taught. Self-taught ko sa CAD. And then, aside from that, the next thing I learned is sketching. Tapos ang akong sketch is related sa products like pang product designing jud. And then the next I learned is digital art which is Procreate. Actually guys, sa ako nahibawan is aside from Procreate there's also one other like more bitaw siya known na app which is EBS. And then before pa di ay nag-learn ko digital art is I asked my colleague in that time na which one is better, Procreate ba or EBS? And niana to ako ang colleague nga much better ang Procreate. Kinindot ang mga brush. And yeah, aside from that is ang difference po di ay sa EBS and Procreate is ang EBS is free ra siya, unlike sa Procreate is naa siya'y bayad. The next thing I learned is Blender. I am still a beginner. About sa SketchUp is yeah, I have to learn it again pa. Okay, it's because dugay-dugay na mo ko wala ka gamit ng SketchUp and then I forgot. And by the way, ang akong SketchUp before when I was in high school is it was more on balay. So pang civil engineering bitaw siya kung ato siyang hunaon. If I have planned to learn again SketchUp is I want it ganahan ko no like product jud ang akong i-design. And then for ABS paint is I have to learn it pa. Dili ko ka-promise when, like I don't know when. Okay, it's because daghan magud ko mga chichiburichi. So I am also a student. So unya ra nako ni buhaton if dili ko mabisi sa ACADS. Okay, ari na ta sa advices related to learning these skills not in work since wala tan ko experience sa work. Okay, I don't know if naay high school ngitan-aw sa ko ang vlog or elementary. If you're a high school or elementary tapos you want to learn this, I think it would be much better na to learn it right now, especially kaning mga like 3D modeling. Kay ikadako magud nimo no is wala maayo na kay kaana kaya sayo man ka nagkatuon since bata pa ka. If you're kind of person na someone na kaedad-edad na ko is it's not too late. You can learn it right now. Okay, to be honest lang guys, no, sa other stuff, bitaw no, beginner, masagod ko. I think the only skill na akong na-learn pagkabata na ako, like since, I think I was coming grade 3, and that time is painting jud. Painting jud akong unang na-learn, and then ang kaning ubang stuffs is karon pa. Imagine, mas naguna kog katon sa painting kaysa sa sketching. If you're like me, for example, like na ni-offer nimo contest tapos ikay representative like related sa art, let's just say traditional art, digital art, or especially in 3D modeling, just take it seriously. Kay yeah, like it's, you know, na siya benefit, to be honest lang, like kana bitong dili ka makalimot parehas nako. I was a kanang SketchUp representative jud ko before sa mga school, and guess what, nakalimot na ko unsaon pag SketchUp, so I have to learn it again. If you're with, you know, like kana bitong people na into this kind of stuff bitaw, like take it as your advantage, like pwede ka magpatudlo nila, and then yeah, maybe they can also give you some advices too. Actually guys, there are some people nga naay alam in ani but kana bitong dili sila ka tudlo nimo, like hands on ba, kay it's because maglisod sila tudlo sa mga beginners, kay it's because hinayon sila compare nila na kana bitong paspas kayo sila maka-encode. Kay wala lang, there was a time nga nikuan ako ba na pwede mo ko tudluan unsaon pagkuan sa Blender since wala kay ko alam sa Blender, tapos yan na siya no na kuan, actually naa siya alam sa Blender jud but kana bitong dili siya katudlo sa mga taong dili pa kayo kamao, kay it's because kuan hinay daw kaayo ang magkat-on pa, and then siya kay kana bitang paspas kay kamot, tapos if ever mo teach siya basin bitang nagdakong possibility na maglisod og apas ang mga beginners. So yeah, ang ending nag self-taught ra pud ko. Actually akong tanang mga chichiburichi no is kuan self-taught ra jud siya tanan. Hey softies, I hope na naamoy ma-learn. And yeah, bye!